Hello everyone, this is Gagan from Team Code++, and today we are going to look at how to install Grafana on our Ubuntu machine. So without any delay, let's begin. So this is the official documentation of Grafana. So we can install Grafana on Ubuntu, Mac OS, Linux distributions, and Windows operating system. So there are two ways to install Grafana. The first one is Grafana as a service. The other one is Grafana as a Docker container. So the advantage of running Grafana as a service is that whenever our server reboots, this service will come up automatically. Whereas if we are running it as a Docker container, it will not come up automatically. We have to manually bring it up. The power of Grafana is that it alerts you whenever there is mishappening. So if Docker, you are running Grafana on a Docker container and the container is not running, it won't be able to alert you. So let me click on Ubuntu link. This takes us to the Grafana Ubuntu page. So there are a couple of ways by which we can install Grafana. I'll go through all these ways first, and then later we can use terminal and install Grafana. The first one is using the apt-get method. So we can get two packages. We have an option of getting either one of the package. So the first package is known as Grafana. The second one is known as the Grafana Enterprise. So we can use some features which can only be used using a license, such as we have some premium plugins, just like we have in Docker. We have some plugins in Docker. We have some premium plugins in Grafana. These premium plugins are like Splunk. If you have to integrate your Grafana with Splunk, you can use Splunk plugin. You can use App Dynamics if you want to integrate Grafana with App Dynamics. Similarly, we have a couple of plugins for that. Along with this, there is one major problem with big organization is that managing access control. So this access control feature is also being enabled in this Grafana Enterprise package. The Grafana Enterprise is same as the open source Grafana, but it includes features that can be unlocked with license if you choose so. Later in the video, we are going to install the recommended package, that is the Grafana Enterprise, using these steps. So let us see the other way of installing Grafana. If you want to install the nightly versions or the beta versions of Grafana, you can use using this .dev package. So this is the download page. Let me open this. So you can select the version here, which version you want, and you can choose the platform which you are aiming for, and you can download it using these three ones. That's all for this. So the third way of downloading is using a binary tar. You just get the tar using the wget command. You download it at a specific location, then you untar the tar file and then run it as a service. So you can run it as a no hub as well in this case. So now since we are done with all the steps, let us install using the apt-get method. So we need to fire these commands. So I'll install this apt transport http package first. Okay, it is installed already. Then we need to install these two packages, that is software properties common and wget. Okay, this is also installed. So then now we need to get the package using wget command and add the key into our machine. I'm not sure why it is taking so much time. And it says okay. Now we can download the stable version as well as we can download the beta version, but we'll here download the stable version. So this is the command for that. And now we need to update all our packages. Data is done. Now we're going to install Grafana Enterprise here. This is the last step. So it's downloading. Once it's done, I'll come back to the video. So as you can see, it is installed, and at the end it gives us few of the commands that we can run to check if it is enabled. So we'll copy this and we'll reload daemon. Once done, we can enable Grafana. Okay, and now we can start Grafana server. To check if the service is running or not, we can use the status command here. So you can see the Grafana is running. So by default, the Grafana is configured to be running on localhost 3000 port. Let's see. Okay. Now as you can see that it has begun. So that's all for today's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe for future videos as well. And if you face any issues, please do mention them in the comment section below. Thank you. Peace.